I'm going to show you 2 techniques on what you can do with these 2 dishes sa video na ito. What if ang ordinary toasted bread mo will turn from this into this? Mapapawaw ka, diba? Technique TV is here again to show you how to do it. Turning your ordinary food into extraordinary one. In a simple and easy ways but deliciously good to another level. At dito lang yan sa channel na ito, ang Technique TV. For our first recipe, the toasted bread topped with chicken stew, what we need are bread, chicken meat, butter, garlic, salt, black pepper, chopped fresh oregano, onion, tomatoes, parsley, basil, cheese or any kind of cheese. First, let's heat up a pan and then add some butter. It's best if you're going to turn your fire into a medium heat before you put the butter para hindi masusunog. And then let's add some garlic. Just saute the garlic, then we can add the chicken. I already seasoned the chicken with some dried oregano and then salt. Let's stir this a bit, and then we can now add the onion. Next is the tomatoes. Then, add some parsley and basil, and just saute it. Using these 3 herbs, the parsley, oregano, and the basil in one dish, wow! It makes me excited to cook. And the aroma, wow! Nakakaganang kumain. Ang bango talaga. And while we are cooking our chicken, let's prepare another frying pan. Put some butter, and let's toast some sliced bread which I already glazed with a little bit of oil and parsley. Well, you can use your oven to toast your bread. I just like to do it this way. By the way, mga ka-technique, you can also use loaf bread making this dish. Walang magbabawal sa'yo. You are the master of your own kitchen. Own this recipe. Don't be afraid to give it a little twist. And now, let's season our toasted bread with salt and black pepper. Back to our chicken stew na niluluto. Check natin. Then, lagyan natin ng kaunting cheese. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng all-purpose cream instead na cheese. And we're done! I-plate na natin. Then sprinkle with more cheese. Let's be generous. Comfort food na ito, diba? And here you have it, our toasted bread with creamy chicken stew sa ibabaw. Yummy talaga. Well, mamaya na lang natin to i-taste kasi may next pa. And for the last recipe, para sa ating toasted bread topped with creamy garlic shrimps, what we need are bread, shrimps, butter, garlic, onion, chopped fresh basil, tomatoes, salt, black pepper, cheese or any kind of cheese, and all-purpose cream. First, let's saute some garlic and onion. And I'm using butter instead na cooking oil para mas malasa siya. Just mix it until mag-brown na ang garlic. And then add some basil. Next, put the shrimps and the tomatoes. Let's stir this a bit. Mix lang natin ng mabuti and then mag-add lang ako ng kaunti pa na butter. Next is add a little bit of salt and black pepper. Mix, then add some cheese. Lastly, add the all-purpose cream. And we are done with our second toppings for our toasted bread. I-plate na natin. Then garnish with cheese and chopped parsley. And now let's do the most important part of this video, and that is the taste test. Yummy! Di na talaga ako magpapapigil. So don't forget to try this recipe to give a new taste and look sa inyong toasted bread for your breakfast or snack tomorrow. Sigurado na mapapawaw mo ang sino mang ipagahanda nyo ng recipe na ito, mga kateknik. Until next time, wait for another video full of yummiest techniques. Mga technique para mas sumarap ang inyong mga niluluto na food. So don't forget to like, share our videos. Comment below, share your experience cooking this recipe. Mag-subscribe at i-on ang notification bell para kayo ay updated always sa ating next recipes. Bye for now! See you soon!